Hi everyone, Chris from the Driving Theory Workshop, and today I want to talk to you about warning triangles that you should keep in your car in the event that you break down. Now, not a lot of people do this, but it is vital to your safety and helping other people know that you have broken down. Now, they are small orangey red triangles that you keep in your boot of your car, and they don't take up much space. In the event that you break down and you pull up on, say, the left hand side, you should place the triangle roughly 45 meters or 147 feet from your car. If you're on a bend or at the top or just over the brow of a hill, it'd be important to place it just before the bend, just to warn other road users that you've broken down or that there's a hazard ahead. If you found this information useful, please give us a like. If you want more videos the same, visit our YouTube channel and subscribe to that. Or for more help with your theory, visit our website at www.drivingtheoryworkshop.co.uk.